Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure MetaMask network switching for Solana via compatible wallet, full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your MetaMask wallet. Ensure you have the latest version of the MetaMask extension installed. Once open, log into your MetaMask account. Navigate to the top of the MetaMask interface. Click on the circular account icon in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, scroll down to Networks. Click on Networks to view your current network options. To add a new network, click on Add Network. You will be redirected to a form for entering network details. For the network name, enter Solana. In the new RPC URL field, input a compatible Solana RPC URL. You can find recommended RPC URLs on various Solana network documentation. Enter Solana again in the chain ID field. For the symbol, you can type SOL to represent Solana's currency. In the Block Explorer URL field, you can input a Solana Block Explorer link, like Solscan. After filling in all the required details, click on Save. Now, return to the main MetaMask interface. You should see your newly added Solana network listed among other networks. To switch to the Solana network, click on the Network drop-down. Select Solana from the list of available networks. Once selected, your MetaMask will now be configured to interact with Solana. To use Solana features, confirm that you have a compatible wallet connected. You can connect a compatible wallet by going to the wallet's interface. Link your Solana wallet through the connection prompts. After connecting, you can start using Solana functionalities directly through MetaMask. Ensure you check for any additional settings related to specific applications you may use. You are now set up to interact with the Solana network using your MetaMask wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.